It's actually pretty nice. Not bad at all. I'm thinking, should I use the GoPro? I don't know if the GoPro is charged, but I will double check, man. Where's my GoPro at? All right, so I will double check. I can't even find the GoPro right now. I'm trying to see what I did with my camera, y'all. Sorry, I set y'all down. Oh, man. Give me a minute. It's gotta be something. So, nothing fancy, y'all. Good video. Oh, there you go. It blend in with the couch, y'all. I found it. My GoPro, y'all probably ain't seen it, but this is what I do a lot of videos with. A lot of videos with that. So, I'm using an iPhone right now. Let me show you my camera. Hi, Chi-Chi. Alright, I gotta make some. Oh, there you go. I found her. So, I'm gonna put this GoPro on. I got my car started. I ain't gonna do a cold start for y'all. But, yeah, you know. I gotta have skill to do that. Don't be scared. You know what I'm saying?
A long way from the dungeon. Never going back, bro, that's a promise. Was the dry, never had a malfunction. 93 gasoline, we pumping. See what y'all, you can hear when I'm coming. If I'm driving the drain, it's coming. Keep stacking the bread and keep coming. Car got me walking dead like I'm a son. Drugs got me making my bitch out for nothing. I hit the mall, my fire in public. Look the wrong way, you can dodge it for mud. No more they nagging and bug. Say I'm a dust in my shot at the cousin. Worry with guy, I forever hold grudge. Let's go. Stop living like that, he ain't costing nobody, little nigga relax. The best got me cheap, but I add on the tax. This shit out the top, yeah, this shit never fat. It don't matter.
We just cut the road up. I'm sorry.
Please leave your message for. Please leave your message for.
I forgot to tell you, you know, cause I've been here a couple of times. I always forget to tell you, you know, it's a egg and flour. You know who that is, right? Or nah? The egg and flour. That's like a nice. They make pasta, but dude was on he was on one of them cooking shows, and he kind of was like the last Final Four type shit. But dude, he got 2 locations. He got one on the east side, and then he got one on like First and Lincoln. Green Bay had Brett Favre and Aaron Rodgers for 30 years. You know,
got 2 championships.
Yeah. That shit crazy as hell. Yeah.
Look, King, I get out right.
Yeah.
Fucking dog.
It's your ass, Mr. Postman. Man, I chucked it. You can't even chuck nobody package no more because they got it's rings and I'll be like, hey, it's some dogs. Hey, I gotta go. But some people get out and be dog friendly.
The funny thing about it, right?
Yeah.
I'm at the house right now. Like, I'm at one of the houses. You know, it's a 2-house combo. The house next to each other. You know what I'm saying? When I used to walk Snoopy ass, and used to be far away. But those Snoopy ass didn't bark. I mean, the Snoopy ass didn't bark at people, and he didn't bite. Shit. I used to keep my dog close.
Right.
Homeboy sent out a text talking about, yeah, everybody looking good, but y'all looking for
No, some dude trying to tell me like, man, y'all rich. I said, hey, no, man, cause you know I got Big Burberry. I had Big Burberry on, new J's on today. You know what I'm saying? So let me get up out of here real quick.
Huh? Hey, why does it sound like you in the race car? Man? What's going on,